Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you stop your iPhone from overheating. 5 year fixes you can do in minutes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you have an iPhone and you feel like it's heating up in your hand, let me tell you you are not alone. And not just that, there are 3 main reasons that can make the device heat up in a boring way, and in return 5 very simple steps that can bring your phone's temperature back to normal. Once you do this, you'll understand where the heat is coming from and how to stop it instantly. First, why does the iPhone heat up in the first place? Short and straight. 1. After new updates. The first 2 days after an iOS update, the device will reorganize its files so it heats up normally and it's not a problem. 2. Apps that consume a lot of resources like TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. These are top 3 apps that raise the temperature of any iPhone. 3. Games. Any heavy game with high graphics equals the device heats up, and that's normal. 4. Fast charging. Especially if you are holding the phone while it's charging, that noticeably raises the temperature. 5. The weather itself. If the weather is very hot, the device will heat up even with the light use. Second, when does the heat become dangerous? If the device lowers brightness on its own, if apps close suddenly, if charging becomes very slow, if you see the temperature warning, that's when you need to act. Third, the solution. 5 steps that reduce iPhone heat immediately are: 1. Turn off the background app refresh. So simply head over to the settings. Inside settings, tap on general. Inside general, tap on scroll down and then tap on background app refresh. And now here, tap on background app refresh at the top and then simply tap on off. This reduces heat and battery consumption significantly. 2. Turn off significant locations. Head over to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down and then select privacy and security. Inside select location services, and once you're inside here, select system services by scrolling down and then tapping on it. Once you're inside here, scroll down and then select significant location and routes. Simply turn this off, and this prevents the phone from tracking your location constantly, which helps lower the temperature. Turn up networking and wireless. If available, head over to the settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security once again, and inside select location services once again and scroll down, then tap on system services and then select networking and wireless. Simply toggle this off, and this is one of the settings that hit the phone most when the network is weak. 4. A simple step that helped many people. If your phone heats up while charging, put it on airplane mode by simply dragging your control center down and putting it in the airplane mode. This stops the network and the signal search, which cools the phone and speeds up charging noticeably. 5. Let the device rest while charging. If you are gaming or scrolling TikTok while charging, the heat will rise no matter what you do. Let it charge while idle. Also notice a very important point. If the heat goes down within a minute or 2, that's normal. But it stays hot in a strange way, check the last apps you installed, because one of them is probably the cause. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.